What's up, AC gang? You know it's the boy Capo and I'm back with another prank. As you can see by the title, I'm going to do the FaceTime and another great prank on Abby. Right now, she's taking a shower, so we can't really spend too much time on the intro. So, just follow me on Instagram, I am Cappuccino. Follow Abby at Abbi and follow Capo channel at Abbi_Capo. And also, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to the comedy channel, which is Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. People don't have much time because I don't know how long she's going to take in the bathroom, so I have to really start putting the camera right now and get it ready so we can get the prank underway. So let's get right to it, people. Let's get right to it.
Oi, where? Oh, yeah, baby.
Where's Abby?
Oh, yeah, baby.
They get pushed soon.
Keep on just see a car, somebody baby, I have a phone in there, tattoo.
What?
Oh,
Look for me, good at me say that.
yeah, tattoo. Come here, say baby, I have a phone.
What did you
What is it?
I mean, I don't live at the yard.
What is it?
I don't know if I'm to.
Where is
What
it?
ask me say?
Nobody not there.
People there.
Oh.
Go check somewhere, I don't know people there.
So, what I just you have a phone away, you call somebody baby. Don't say phone.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, hold on.
Hold on, man.
Come on. Don't say phone. Don't think so, man. Don't say phone. We just attack.
Yeah.
We attack the one.
Body man, I'm thinking the man.
Capo, we attack the one. Can you call the person baby?
Abby? Yeah, I hear things they're not here. Ears and need to clean out. Calm down, man.
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. We call baby a while ago. What else smell with me?
Me not smile.
Mama
This
say
is just
phone.
my baby.
Mama say phone. Mama say phone.
Why?
Can you tell someone and just say, hold up
You
your damn
should
phone?
do that?
Capo,
What's a lie?
stop pampering me. Stop pampering me. It's a lie.
Abby, relax yourself, man. I'm with you.
You're not from my
Go call baby on it.
Mama say phone. Who you not talk to them? Who you have the phone? Who you have the phone that talk to?
You're no boy now.
You must take me around for you.
Yeah, let me go. No, I'm saying please today now. Are you there now?
Who you not talk to?
You see me talk now?
Capo, you have your hand so with your phone and you say baby.
Leg on my foot.
Who you not call baby?
Leg on my foot, let me talk to you. But like, put the bad leg thing.
Who you not call
Eat the
baby?
phone first.
Who you not call baby?
Eat that for me, one.
Who you not call baby? Who you not call baby?
I said, baby, don't be it. Don't everything for that.
So you talk to me?
After finish bed.
So you talk to me on the phone, so?
I mean,
Capo, stop pampering me. Stop pampering me.
I was taking a picture.
You take a picture and say, alright, let me see your phone.
Why am I on my phone?
So you know what's on your phone?
I was taking a picture. I never said take a picture.
So let me see your
I was
phone.
taking a picture.
Alright, since I'm
For
not
what?
let me see your phone.
For what?
I want to see your phone.
Which part that you want to see?
If you just call nobody, we say.
Never call nobody recently.
If somebody just call you.
But they call me.
So let me see your phone. Where your eye? Where your eye?
Nice password. Calm down.
Capo, stop pampering me.
Nice password. You didn't want to see me. I don't know what type of phone she has.
Capo, stop
What you
pampering
say
me.
here? What you say here? Where you coming now?
Capo, you have the phone, so I'm pan. Baby.
You see me?
I will even when I'm coming here still have the phone, so.
Right now, so?
Say that talk to the phone.
No? I take a picture.
Say that talk. Yeah,
To
that talk
myself.
to the picture.
To myself, me talk.
And I say, baby.
Yeah. To myself. To myself. I take a picture. See picture I take there. Picture I take there.
Capo, look like I did that.
What?
When they hold up the phone.
What?
When they hold up the
You
phone,
know
you
my
turn
phone.
the angle here. When you turn the angle here, this will show back in the eye. This will show back in the eye. We are can
What you
see that.
talk about? You should tell
You just stand up
You
and
just walk in a while ago and talk about you. Yo, you must say, don't tell that myself, man.
Why?
Yeah,
Careful,
yeah.
careful. So you say you never talk to nobody? You never... So who you text?
Nobody.
Who you text? Who you delete?
No, they don't need, you know.
Come see your phone.
Wait, no, calm down.
Capo,
Just relax yourself.
Stop lamping me.
Hey, found the good book. Calm down.
All this that you deserve for the up. Who you text? Who you like call? Give me your phone.
Relax.
Yes, if I were them realize I'd be a bad one, of course. I'm going to try to calm myself. Give me your phone. And who you
What?
text? Who you text? You text somebody.
Wait a minute.
Jesus Christ. Never for me. Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
What?
Answer your phone.
Give me a phone, girl.
That's class. Careful, you don't get no way. Answer the phone. Answer the phone. Answer the phone. Answer the phone.
Give me a phone, girl.
Who call you?
Wait up.
Stop prank for me. Okay, you must pay me around. Who you text? Who call you? Who you that chat?
Hey, give me a phone, man. Give me a phone. Easy, no?
Hey. Never prank.
You're grabbing too much, man.
You like take people for that?
Good one.
Who you that talk to?
Come on,
And who you
man,
text?
come
Who call you? Why you not answer?
What call me? Somebody phone me.
Keep your phone and just ring a while ago. Your
Somebody phone
phone
me.
and just ring a while
Them
ago.
not call me.
Keep on 2 times the person call.
One time the perfect call. One time.
Stop prank with me.
The perfect call one time. Relax.
Who you that talk to?
Nobody.
Keep you have up the phone. So.
Relax now.
No, not call them for relax. I'm going to say you want to have it come up back out of me. Don't tell them for relax. Where that tattoo? Where that tattoo? Where that tattoo?
Why?
Yeah, man, them buy a new phone. Damn crap.
You want that mash up? No, man. No. How you go?
You got my yard. Since you can tell me for that, might as well me got my damn yard. Answer the phone.
Where do I go? I don't have phone go. Where do I go?
Answer the phone. Answer the phone.
I'm a prank. Woo!
So what call?
My friend named Abbi. I just text her to call me. I text her to call me. I'll show you. I text her to call me. Just a while ago, you got the phone come on, you get mad. People, Capo the baddest prankster ever. Alright, so her name there. And then I text her and tell her to call me. I don't think I do a prank like this to her again because I'll be too serious and she'll get too aggressive and I don't want to mash her up. I don't want to mash her up, people.
Mash up who?
So here I know. Share this video and subscribe and like and comment. Follow me on Instagram at I am Cappuccino. Follow Mad Abbi, Abbi Matters. And also follow the Capo channel, Abbi_Capo. And also guys, subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV, people. So you know, yeah. I look at Abbi over there, still in shock. Yeah, I'm good down with it. Abbi, give me a hug and a kiss. No, man. Show them that there's still love between us, Abbi. Team Capo the boss, you know.
Still Team Abbi, guys. Still Team Abbi.
You're wacky, Abbi. You're wacky, Peace out, gang gang.